Here's a GRE algebra problem. Let's take a look. What is the least integer n such that 1 over 2 to the power of n is less than 0.001 or 0.001? Well, we might start by just testing out a few numbers, right? Maybe n equals 1. That's an integer, isn't it? So 1 over 2 to the power of 1 is 1/2. 1 over 2 to the power of, let's try 2, is 1/4, right? And 1 over 2 to the power of 3 is 1/8. Well, what's happening to these numbers as we go? And I can write the decimal versions of them. This is 0.5, this is 0.25, and this is 0.125, which we can check on our calculator. So we're getting smaller and smaller and smaller going in this direction. The question is, when are we going to get smaller than 0.001? Well, that number will arrive, right? That number is going to arrive as we go. So I can start by getting rid of e. I don't know what that number is yet, but I know that there will be an integer that makes this less than 0.001. And I can just test the numbers that I have here. Now, one little hiccup is that the GRE calculator only gives you room for 8 digits. So we can't type in 2 to the power of 10, or we can't type in 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? What we're going to have to do is basically do 1 over 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 5, right? Because 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 5 is 2 to the 10. And so that's 1 over 32 times 32. And that comes out to something around 0.0, I think I'll write it down here, 0.00009, and then a bit more. But the bottom line is that it is less than 0.001. This was the first one we tested. It's the smallest of these, so that has to be the correct answer. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.